Hello and good day. Welcome to Plastic Surgeon. Today, I am going to show you guys a demo of making laptop stand or laptop table using ordinary polypropylene pipes and fittings. It's simple, easy and durable. What you need is a 3 feet long 32 mm diameter PP pipe with fittings of same diameter. These fittings are 4 pieces of 90-degree elbow, 2 pieces of 90-degree brass elbow and 2 screw plugs suitable for brass elbow. Tools required in making are 1 suitable fusion kit, pair of thermal gloves, pipe cutter and a measuring tape. Let's begin. Measure the backbone pipe matching your laptop dimensions. In the meanwhile, install suitable pair of cups and turn on the fusion kit so that temperature reaches to 265 degrees Celsius for firm joints. Mark required lengths on pipe and cut into 5 unique pieces. For a 15.6 inches laptop, as in my case, the backbone pipe marked as number 1 measures to be 10 inches long and number 2 and 3 to be 3 inches long. Pieces marked as number 4 and 5 are 12 inches in length. Now I marked pipe ends and the fittings with unique alphabets for better understanding. Use the hot fusion kit and start joining similar alphabetic pipe with matching alphabetic fitting as shown. Easy, right? Keep joining all parts as demonstrated. Wow! Done! We have successfully built a homemade laptop stand. Enjoy! It's simple, light in weight, easy to make and is really durable. Let's now put the laptop on it and check if it fits. Amazing! Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, press thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to keep supporting. God bless.